This is a problem based on the projectile motion. An aeroplane is flying with a velocity of 320 meters per second at an angle of 39 degrees to the horizon as shown in the image. When the altitude of the plane is 3,330 meters above the ground, a flare is released from the plane. The flare hits the ground at the point indicated in the image. What is the angle phi measured in degrees? Okay, what we have to find out. Here the aeroplane is flying with an initial velocity of 320 meters per second at an angle 39 degrees. Okay. And then when the plane is at an altitude of 3,330 meters above the ground, a flare is released from the aeroplane, and then the flare hits the ground. We have to find out at what angle the flare hits the ground. Phi. Okay. So to find that one, tan phi is equal to y by x. Here y is known to us, x is not known to us. We have to find out x. X is the horizontal displacement. This is equal to Vix times t. Okay. Now we know Vi and then we know theta. Therefore, we can find out Vix and Viy. So Vix is equal to Vi cos theta. That is equal to 320 meters per second times cos 39 degrees. And then Viy is equal to Vi sin theta. That is equal to 320 meters per second sine 39 degrees. Okay. Now on calculating this one, we will get the value as 248.686 meters per second. Okay. And then Viy is equal to 201.382 meters per second. So now we know the Vix, we have to find out the t. To find out the t, what we do is we take the kinematic equation. Delta y is equal to Vi by t plus half at square. And here a is equal to g 9.8 meters per second square. Okay. So here everything, we know everything now. Because delta y is 3,330 meters. So 3,330 meters is equal to Viy is 201.382 meters per second times t plus half into 9.8 t square. Okay, so this is quadratic equation in t. Therefore, we will have to solve this equation for t. Plus 201.382 t minus 3,330 is equal to 0. Therefore, t is equal to, on solving this one, we get t is equal to 12.64 seconds. Okay. So substitute in this Vix and t. Vix is 248.686 into 12.64. So x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 3143.315 meters. Therefore, tan phi is equal to 3,330 divided by 3143, because this is in the, after the decimal it is 3, and the next one is 1, that is also less than 5. So we will round it off to 3143. And then this gives the value 1.059. Okay. Now, y is equal to tan inverse 1.059. That gives the value 46.65 degrees. So this is the answer for this question. Hope you got the answer. And then if you have any doubts, put your this one in the comment section and I will try to answer your queries. Okay. No, thank you. Bye-bye.